Hello guys, this is Vivek Sharma and welcome to the 5th episode of this game development series on csharpcorner.com. So in this video, we will try to kill our dinosaur in a much fancier way using the concept of sprite swapping. As the name suggests, sprite swapping is a method in which you can interchange two sprites. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So this time, instead of destroying the complete dinosaur, we are going to use a function which will disable all of the movements of the dinosaur and will swap the walking dino to a dead sprite. So to achieve this, I'm gonna write a new function, call it kill dino, and gonna change the values of x velocity, y velocity and on ground so that our dinosaur cannot move. I will write x velocity equal to 0, y velocity equal to 0 and on ground equal to false. Also in the enemy script, I will comment out this line which destroys the dinosaur, and in new line, I will call the kill dino function from dino script. To do that, I will get the component dino script from the collided dinosaur and will call the kill dino function. Now if we go back in Unity and hit play, and now as we can see, our dinosaur after getting in contact with the cactus don't dies, it stops. I cannot move it, I cannot make it jump because x velocity, y velocity as well as on ground is false. But now also you can see that dino walking animation is getting played. We want to stop it and swap it with the dead sprite. To do that, first of all we will disable the animator attached to our dinosaur. To do that, I will write get component animator.enabled equal to false. This will disable the animator component attached to our dinosaur. Let's go back to Unity and hit play. So now as we can see, our dinosaur is not getting animated anymore. Perfect. Now finally what we want to do is change the sprite to this dead sprite. To do that, I will write get component sprite renderer. Let's go back to Unity. Over here you can see to our dino player there is a component attached called sprite renderer, and over here it have a property called sprite. We just have to change this sprite to the dead sprite and then we will be able to achieve the desired results. So inside the script, sprite renderer.sprite equal to dead sprite. Now I haven't declared the dead sprite till now. So to do that, we will go up and we'll create a new variable and call it dead sprite. Now let's get back to Unity. Now under the dino script, you can see there is a public field for dino sprite. I'm just gonna drag the dead sprite to this empty field, hit play, and now as you can see, the sprite has got swapped with the dead sprite. Perfect. But now we have a new problem. Our dinosaur is moving, but our camera is not following the dinosaur. So in the next video, we will try to make our camera follow the dinosaur. Till then, goodbye, have fun. Don't forget to follow and subscribe because the best is yet to come.